Yes. Hello dear friends, welcome to our infinity classes. In this video, we are going to discuss the trigonometry functions of allied angles or quadrant system, we can say. So this is very important concept where the function is going to be changed. Sin will become cos, cos will become what? Sin, tan will be cot, cot will be tan, and sec will change to what? Cosec, cosec will change to what? Sec theta. And when it is positive, in which quadrant it is positive or in which quadrant it is negative. So we are going to discuss detail today this quadrant system, that is quadrant system we can say, or allied angles we can say here. So first of all, quadrant system. In the trigonometry we have a 4 quadrant systems: first quadrant, second quadrant, and third and fourth quadrant. 4 quadrants are there. So how to remember this one? By S C T ASTC rule. ASTC rule. After school to college. After school to college means S means sin theta and its reciprocal is what? Cosec theta. S means sin theta and its reciprocal is what? Cosec theta. T means tan theta and its a reciprocal of tan is what? Cot theta. Cos means C means cos theta. Its a reciprocal is what? Sec theta. So we have to remember in this manner. A means all. All means all trigonometric functions. A means what? All trigonometric functions. S means sin theta and its reciprocal, that is cosec theta. T means tan theta and its reciprocal is what? Cot theta. C means cos theta and its reciprocal is what? Sec theta in the fourth quadrant. So look at here, in the quadrant system we have a 4 quadrant here. 4 quadrants are there here. In the first quadrant means 90 minus theta and 360 plus theta. It means if you are operating with 90 minus theta at that time of solving the problem, 90 minus theta and 360 plus theta if appear, at that means it is what? First quadrant. And in the second quadrant second ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 180 minus theta and 90 plus theta ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. 180 minus theta ಮತ್ತು 90 plus theta ಅಂದರೆ second quadrant. 180 minus theta और 90 plus theta बोले तो क्या है? Second quadrant आता है. Yes. And in the third quadrant means 180 plus theta. Third quadrant ಅಂದರೆ 180 plus theta and 270 minus theta ಅಂದರೆ third quadrant बोले तो 180 plus theta और 270 minus theta. And fourth quadrant means 270 plus theta and 360 minus theta. 270 plus theta and 360 minus theta means what? That is your fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant andre 270 plus theta and 360 minus theta. And now in the first quadrant, look at it, is very important here. In the first quadrant all are positive. All are positive means here all trigonometric functions are positive. All trigonometric functions means here sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and tan theta. All the 6 cot theta. All the 6 trigonometric functions are positive in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant all 6 trigonometric functions are what? Positive here. Whereas in the second quadrant only sin theta and cosec theta are positive. Only these 2 functions are what here? Positive. Remaining are what? Negative. And in the third quadrant tan theta and cot theta are what? Positive. Tan theta and cot theta are what? Positive. Remaining 4 functions are what here? Negative. And in the fourth quadrant cos theta and sec theta is what? Positive. And remaining trigonometric functions are what? Negative in the fourth quadrant. So this is what? In the first quadrant all trigonometric functions are positive: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, cosec theta and cot theta. All the 6 trigonometric functions are positive in the first quadrant. Whereas in the second quadrant only sin theta and cosec theta are positive. Second quadrant means 90 plus theta and 180 minus theta. First quadrant means 90 minus theta and 360 plus theta. In the third quadrant means 180 plus theta and 270 minus theta, 180 plus theta and 270 minus theta. In the third quadrant, tan theta and cot theta are positive, remaining four functions are what? Negative here. And in the fourth quadrant means 270 plus theta and 360 minus theta. Here cos theta and sec theta are positive, remaining are what? Negative here. So next we are going to see when these functions are going to be interchanged, that is sine will become what? Sine change to cos theta and cos change to sine theta, and tan change to what? Cot theta, cot will become what? Tan theta, sec theta change to what? Cosec theta, and cosec theta change to what? Sec theta. So here when these functions are going to be interchanged, this is a very important note here, so you have to keep always remember this one in the mind, dear students. Trigonometric functions change in a 90 degree and 270 degree. That is on, if you are calculating, that is 90 plus theta and a 90 minus theta. At that time sine becomes cos and cos will become what? Sine. Sine change to what? Cos, and cos change to what? Sine here. In 90 plus theta and 90 minus theta, as well as 270 minus theta and 270 plus theta, sine will become cos, cos will become what? Sine. Similarly tan changes to cot and cot changes to what? Tan. On these angles only, 90 plus theta, 90 minus theta, 270 plus theta and 270 minus theta. And one more here, sec change to what? Cosec, and cosec change to what? Sec. In this way, if you are calculating or if you are operating with 90 plus theta and 90 minus theta, 270 minus theta and 270 plus theta, at that time sine will become what? Cos, cos will be what? Sine, tan will change to what? Cot, cot change to what? Tan, sec change to cosec, and cosec change to what? Sec. Next, trigonometric functions will not change in the angles 180 degree and 360 angle. Here there will be no change, that is on sine 180 plus theta means sine theta, 180 plus theta minus sine theta, because it lies in the third quadrant. 180 minus theta means sine will be what? Sine itself, cos change to cos, tan change to what? Tan, and sec change to sec itself, cosec change to cosec, and cot changes to cot itself only. Only thing is that the sign of the function will be changed based on the what? Quadrant system, because in the first quadrant all are positive, second quadrant sine and cosec are positive, third quadrant tan and cot are positive, fourth quadrant cos and sec are positive. In the angles 180 plus theta and 180 minus theta and 360 minus theta, 360 plus theta, the function will not change, only the positive and negative sign will be changed based on the what? Quadrant, in which quadrant it is lying. Yes. So let us see how these changes will take place now. See here, sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta means first quadrant. Look at here, I have drawn the what? Two lines here, straight line vertically and horizontal. So this represents the what? First quadrant. It is the what? First quadrant. So as I have written here, see here, what I have written here, this is first quadrant means 90 minus theta and 360 plus theta. 90 minus theta and 360 plus theta. Here 90 minus theta, as I discussed in the previous slide, 90 minus theta means here the sign will change to what? Cos, cos change to what? Sine, and tan change to cot, cot change to tan, sec change to cosec, cosec change to sec. 90 minus theta means it lies in the first quadrants. So first I am writing all the 6 formulas of these. It lies in the first quadrant means all trigonometric functions are what? Here positive, so that all trigonometric functions are positive here. Sine 90 minus theta, here sine 90 minus theta will become what? Cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta will become what? Sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta will become what? Cot theta. cosec 90 minus theta will become what? Sec theta, and sec 90 minus theta will become what? Cosec theta. Cot 90 minus theta will become what? Tan theta. All values are on the right sides here. All are positive because it lies in the what? First quadrant. Because sine is also positive, cos is also positive, tan is also positive, cosec is also positive, sec is also positive, and cot is also positive. In 90 minus theta, sine changes to what? Cos. Cos changes to what? Sin theta. Tan changes to cot. Cosec will change to what? Sec theta. Sec will change to what? Cosec theta, and cot will change to what? Tan theta. Now coming to the what? 360 plus theta means there will be no change here. So sine 360, it is also lies in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant all are positive here. Here also all are what? Positive. So I am going to write the formulas here. Sine 360 plus theta means what here? Sine theta only. Cos 360 plus theta is what? Cos theta. Yes. Tan 360 plus theta is what here? Tan theta. This one is what? Cosec theta. This one is what? Sec theta. And this one is what? Cot theta. For 360 plus theta, all values are positive and function will not change. Sine will become sine itself. Cos will change to cos itself. Tan theta. Sec cosec will be what? Cosec theta. Sec will be what? Sec theta. Cot will be what? Cot theta for 360 plus theta. So this is the first quadrant formulas. Now moving to the what? Second quadrant. Here we have totally what? 12 formulas. 6 for this one 90 minus theta, and 6 for 360 plus theta. 6 plus 6 is what? 12 formulas for allied angles in the first quadrant. Next, for second quadrant, see the here lines. So this part represent the second. This is a vertical line, and this is the what? Horizontal line I have written here, drawn here. Sorry. Sine 180 minus theta, cos 180 minus theta, tan 180 minus theta, cosec 180 minus theta, sec 180 minus theta, cot 180 minus theta. So here in the second quadrant, only two functions are positive. Carefully observe here. Only two functions are positive. That is, sine theta is positive here, and cosec theta is also positive here. Only these two functions are positive. Leaving these two functions, all are what? Negative. First I will write the minus sign here. For remaining functions I will write the minus sign, and only sine is positive and cosec is positive. Only sine is positive and cosec is positive here. So 180 minus theta, as I had told you in the previous slide, at the beginning only, for 180 minus theta there will be no change. 180 minus theta ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. sin theta ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೆ sin theta ನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Only thing is that sin is positive and cosec is positive. ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin ಮತ್ತು cosec अष्टे positive थे. यहाँ पर second quadrant में कुछ भी changes नहीं होता. Only sin change होता है. यहाँ पर जो function negative है उसके right side में minus sign लिखते हैं. जो function positive है वो positive ही रहता है. तो sin 180 minus theta, ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin 180 minus theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ sin theta ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. sin 180 minus theta क्या होता है पर? प्लस sin theta होता है, बिकॉज sin theta is positive in the second quadrant. सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में sin क्या है? पॉजिटिव है. तो इस वजह से हम क्या लिखते हैं पर? sin theta लिखते हैं. cos 180 minus theta, cos नेगेटिव है तो माइनस cos theta. Tan 180 minus tan is also negative in the second quadrant, that is minus tan theta. Cosec 180 minus theta, cosec is positive in the second quadrant. Here it will become what? Plus cosec theta. No need to write the plus sign here. It will be plus by default. So here sec 180 minus theta, sec is negative in the second quadrant. It will become what? Minus sec theta. Now cot 180 minus theta, cot is also negative. It will become what? Minus cot theta. In this way we are writing the formulas for 180 minus theta. Now moving to the what? 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta means also second quadrant. 180 minus theta second quadrant, and 90 plus theta also lies in the what? Second quadrant. Here 90 plus theta. Again here we are using the which functions are positive here? Sin theta is positive, yes, and cosec theta is positive. in the second quadrant. 90 plus theta lies in the what? Second quadrant. In the second quadrant only two functions are positive. 90 plus theta कहाँ पर आता है? Second quadrant. 90 plus theta second quadrant ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Second quadrant ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು फंक्शन पॉजिटिव हो. Second quadrant में दो functions पॉजिटिव हैं, sin theta और cosec theta. इनको छोड़कर बाकी के क्यों आते हैं? नेगेटिव. That is minus minus. Write the first minus sign. Write the first minus sign. 90 plus theta. For 90 plus theta functions will be changed. 90 plus theta में functions change होते हैं. Sin becomes the what? Cos. Sin 90 plus theta it will become what? Sin 90 plus theta cos theta. Cos 90 plus theta minus sin theta. Why it is minus? Because cos is negative. Cos is negative in the second quadrant, so it is what? Minus sin theta. Then tan is also negative. Tan of 90 plus theta minus cot theta. Tan will be converted in terms of what? Cot. Then cosec 90 plus theta. Cosec is positive in the second quadrant, so it will become what? Sec theta. Sec 90 plus theta is what? Minus cosec theta. Cot 90 plus theta is what here? Minus tan theta. Minus tan theta. So these are the again 12 formulas of allied angle for 180 minus theta and 90 plus theta. So 12 plus 12, 24. For each quadrant we have a total 12 formulas. So we have a total 4 quadrants here. Totally we have to remember the 48 formulas. Now moving to the what? Third quadrant. In the third quadrant, see here, in the third quadrant means 180 plus theta and 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta, 180 plus theta lies in the what? Third quadrant. For 180 plus theta in the third quadrant, first we have to mark which functions are positive here. So here tan and cot are positive. So this tan is positive and this cot is also positive here. इस quadrant में ही third quadrant ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು functions positive ಇರ್ತಾವೆ, tan and cot. Tan and cot are positive here. Tan and cot are positive, remaining are what? Negative. In the third quadrant only two functions are positive, remaining are what? Negative. Write the minus sign here. Minus sign, minus sign, minus sign. Here also minus sign, minus sign, minus sign. Sorry, not minus sign here. Minus sign, minus sign. So remaining are what? Negative. First write the sign here. Two functions are positive, leaving these two functions tan and cot. All functions are what? Negative here. And here also for 270 minus theta, tan is positive and cot is positive. Here for 180 plus theta, function will not change. Sin will be sin, cos will become what? Cos, tan will be tan. So sin 180 plus theta means what? Minus sin theta. Cos 180 plus theta is what? Minus cos theta. Tan 180 plus theta is what? Tan theta. Here tan will be what? Positive, because in the third quadrant tan is what? Positive. Cosec 180 plus theta is what? Minus cosec theta. Sec 180 plus theta is what? Minus sec theta. Cot 180 plus theta is what here? Cot theta. So it will be what? Positive here, because in the third quadrant cot is what? Positive. Now next come to the what? For 270 minus theta, sin 270 minus theta. Here the function will change. Sin will become what? Cos. Cos will be what? Sin. So tan will be cot. Cot will become what? Tan. So as I told you in the beginning only, sin 270 minus theta is what? Minus cos theta. Cos 270 minus theta is what? Minus sin theta. Tan 270 minus theta. Tan 270 minus theta is what? Cot theta. Cosec 270 minus theta is what? Minus sec theta. Sec 270 minus theta is what? Cosec theta. Cot 270 minus theta is what? Tan theta. So only these two functions are positive, cot 270 minus theta and tan 270 minus theta. Remaining are what? Negative in this quadrant. Yes, moving to the what? Fourth quadrant here. For 270 plus theta and 360 minus theta. So this is the fourth quadrant. This is the what? Fourth quadrant. As I told you, in the fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. Mark these two first. Cos and sec are positive here. Here also cos and sec are positive. Remaining are what? Negative. So first write the minus sign here in front of this. Minus sign, minus, minus and minus. Here also what? Minus sign, minus sign, minus and minus. 4 functions are negative, 2 are what? Positive here. So for 270 plus theta, sin 270 plus theta, it will become what? Cos theta. For 270, trigonometric functions are going to be changed. Sin will become what? Cos. Cos 270 plus theta is what? Sin theta. It is positive because cos is positive in the fourth quadrant. Tan 270 plus theta is what? Minus cot theta. Yes. Cosec 270 plus theta is what? Minus sec theta. Yes. Sec 270 plus theta is what? Cosec theta. It is positive. Sec will convert into what? Cosec. Cot 270 minus theta is what? Minus tan theta. Minus tan theta. In this manner, only cos and sec are positive in the fourth quadrant. Remaining are what? Negative. And one more thing, 270 plus theta. At the time of 270 plus theta, functions are going to be changed. Sin will become what? Cos. Cos will be what? Sin. Tan change to what? Cot. Cot change to what? Tan. And sec change to cosec. Cosec change to what? Sec theta. So for 360 minus theta means fourth quadrant, here there will be no change in the function. Sin 360 minus theta, sin is negative here, that is it will become what? Minus sin theta. Cos 360 minus theta, it is cos theta because it is positive. In the fourth quadrant, cos it what? Positive. And sec 360 minus theta is what? Cosec theta. It is also positive. Sorry, sec theta only. Right here, sec theta. Function will not change here. Yes, tan 360 minus theta minus tan theta. Cosec 360 minus theta minus cosec theta. Cot 360 minus theta is what? Minus cot theta. So this is all about the what? The quadrant system. It is very important at the time of solving these formula we are using. Wherever these formulas are appear, we have to use these things and solve the problems. So it is very important one. So if you still not like my channel means please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my channel.